Hey guys, this is another TF2 video. It's going to be really short, but look at this. Oh my gosh, this is another step towards my unusual, and holy crap. This is all worth like maybe 2.8 keys or more. Uh-huh. Ah! Bye Scout set. He's not so beautiful anymore. I'll figure something out. Holy crap. Uh-oh! The sounds! They're here! Oh my god. You hear that, guys? That's the sound of madness. 77 new items. Ah! Look at them, they're beautiful. Ah! This is gonna be hard to get ref with. But oh well. He overpaid a lot. Holy crap. Holy crap.
Is Grim the guy you traded?
Yeah, Grim was the guy who I traded.
Check his backpack.
What is this? What is this?
Oh, you got a strange scorch shot.
Yeah, I already had one. Shut up. It's the sound of success. Gentlemen? No, I think I'll keep the Deus specs. So I look like this instead of the sneaky spats. Well guys, thanks for watching this video. It's kind of a random video, but holy crap. Yeah, I look pretty nice now. Itsy bitsy spire is going to kill you. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do whatever you want. And this is just an update video to show my progress towards my unusual. Holy crap. I have all the weapons now. Well then they shall all go goodbye soon because I'm going to. Oh my god. My scout. My beautiful scout. It's gone. Ellis cap. Nope. Yes. No. Yes. See you guys later. Bye bye.